this is the left hand part of Turquoise that we'll learn first. Notice that it's in the treble clef. Both hands are in the treble clef. So you're actually going to be starting on the B flat just below middle C. So we're going to play B flat with our pinky, 2 on F, 1 on G, cross 2 over for A, and then come right back down to G and F. So these are just steps, these 3 notes, and then a B flat, B flat. And if it feels stretchy to get from here to here, just swing over and don't feel like you got to leave your pinky on the B flat. You do that twice, 3 times, 4 times. So you do that 4 times. The rotation is left, right, right for the thumb. You roll over and then you turn to the left for 2, to the right. It's all single rotations, left, right, except for to the thumb. It's 2 rights in a row. Left, right, right, left, right, right, left, right, left. Why am I going to the left for the 2? Because 2 is on this left side of the thumb. Left, right, right, left, right, left. Left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, right, left, right, left. If you don't have that turn to the left to play your second finger, you might see something like this, where that 2 crosses over and isolates by itself instead of playing with the whole arm. So 4 times. Then you do A, E. Same pattern as before, step up. Same exact pattern, it's just 1 note lower. You do that twice, except you stop on the F and not play the A. So I'm going to do it from the beginning again. 2, 3, 4, A, 2. That's the opening 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 measures. Then we go down to G. Do the same pattern 1 time, and then we go down to bass C. All right, so let me do those last 2. It's G up to D, step up to E, cross 2 over to F, come right back to the thumb on E. You just do 1 set of that, and then you come down to bass C, 5 on C, 2 on G, 1 on A, cross over to B flat, back to A on, thumb on A, and then G. All right, so I'm going to go back to the beginning and play all of those measures 1 through 8. So that's the A section, measures 1 through 8. Now in the right hand, you don't come in until the 3rd measure, and then we're going to come in with 5 on, this is A. The first ledger line above the treble clef is A. So not the A above middle C, but 2 A's above middle C. And we're going to go half note, dot, then we go down to D, and then we go back to A, then step down to G, then down to C, D, C. So that melody's real pretty. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then we play B flat, up a 5th to F, step down to E, step down to D, and then E, C, 2, 3, tie, 2, 3. So that second phrase, starting at measure 7, is B flat for a half note, up to F, step down to E, step down to D, step up to E, and then C. And the counting is 1, 2, 3, quarter, quarter, dot, eighths, half, note, dot, tie, note, dot. So that curved line here connects C to another C, same space C, so you tie that note and don't replay it. So if you put that hands together, put that there, see if that works. 1, 2, right hand comes in, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Very pretty. So what I would do in learning that is I would tap it and count aloud. Left hand 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3. The measure 3 measure. The right hand comes in on measure 3. Together and 2 and 3 and together and 2 and together on 3 and together on 1 and together on 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3. I just line up, I just keep those left hand eighth notes steady, and then right when the right hand lines up with one of them, I play. Right? And we can write the counting in the measure too. I think I'll do that as well before I put it on your page. Now, starting at measure 7, tapping it is together and 2 and together 3 and together 1 and together 2 and 3 together and together and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3. So I would definitely tap that hands together a lot while counting aloud before trying to play it hands together. But this week you're going to learn hands separately, left hand first, and then, you know, not that fast of course, and then right hand alone. Alright, so that's all we're going to learn at first. This measures 1 through 10, I believe.